Say again?
Tomorrow. You leaving tomorrow?
Oh, fuck. So here we are on the north side of Miami Beach, Florida. And it's almost another day at the office, except it's not. Because I'm going out of town tomorrow. And I'm trying to catch up on some ponds and trying to get as many done as I possibly can, so that it's a little less weight that falls on Erick's shoulders. Because with me gone, none of the other guys can really do what I do, so it's gonna fall on Erick, and he might be a bit rusty. I don't think he's done this in quite a while. So I'll be testing for ammonia, nitrates, nitrite, pH, anything in the water that we may not want in there that might affect the fish. Basically the quality of the water. Hopefully everything is in line. It usually is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you take your eyes off the water for too long and you let your guard down, stuff could happen. Beautiful, just what we want to see. Always all the way at the top. Nitrates are at 0. So basically what I do is I go from place to place and I do maintenance on very high-end clients, very high-end ponds, at least bare minimum once a week. So what I do is I check the water quality, check the parameters, pH, ammonia, anything that we may not want in there that could be harmful to the fish. I take a look at the fish, make sure they're okay, they're not sick, make sure they don't look skinny. Sometimes I feed them, sometimes I don't. Some people enjoy the actual feeding. Normally, in some ponds, depending on the pond, because no pond is the same, I run the net and I scrape the bottom and pull out any existing muck, but sometimes it's worth it to go the extra mile and vacuum when you can, because, man, it gets a much better result. Oh.
So excited. 3 more hours left.
Yeah, me too. You know, I have a feeling that Erick forgot. So I'm gonna have to call him and make sure that he remembers now when I call him at the end of the day. Things could go really bad really fast, and you could wake up to a pond full of dead fish, which in some cases might total up to just over 100 grand just in fish. So we definitely don't want anything to go wrong. I try to stay on top of it and keep a close relationship with the clients, to where they can text me at 3 in the morning if something goes wrong, and either me or Erick will head out there and make sure that everything runs smoothly.
Yo, what's going on?
Yo, good evening, sir.
What's up, homie?
He just finished up wrapping up the day over here on the north side. Took care of most of the beach and all of the north side over here, so it'll ease the load on you a little bit for the rest of the week. Say again?
Tomorrow? You leaving tomorrow?
Tomorrow. No, cuz we spoke about this. You know, I had a feeling that you forgot, because you haven't brought it up, and I was kind of nervous about calling you now.
Well, man, fuck it. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I'll figure it out. We'll talk later on. I'll call you another while when I get done here, okay?
Okie dokie. That was easier than I thought. I'm out of here.
Tomorrow's gonna be something special.